Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Hope you're doing great. Today we are going to learn some prepositions in Malayalam. This is a requested video. I think it has been requested several times, so I'm going to do it. We're not going to learn all of it today, but as always, we are going slowly, so we'll see few of them. But before going into that, thank you so much, friends. Channel hit 30k YouTube subscriber mark last week, and I'm so happy for that and so thankful to you all, and please continue your support. Before we start the chapter about prepositions, I would like you to go through my video about case suffixes in Malayalam. If you have not watched that, I will put the link here. Please click on it and watch it. It will help you better understand this video. Okay, so I'm putting the link here. So the first preposition that we are going to learn is above. And before going to that, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, or to introduce an object. So, prepositions in English. So how do you use that in Malayalam is what we are going to see in this video. The first preposition that we are going to learn is above. Above, the word for above in Malayalam is mugalil. Mugalil. So we are doing a short phrase as an example here. Veedine mugalil. Veedine mugalil. Veedine mugalil means above the house. Veedine mugalil, above the house. Below. Below, the word for below in Malayalam is tare. 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 And see this example. Ende muri ee nilakku thareyanu. Ende muri ee nilakku thareyanu. My room. Muri is room. Muri, room, is below this floor. Floor is nila, is below this floor. My room is below this floor. Ende muri ee nilakku thareyanu. Next preposition that we are going to learn is before. Before is used to denote time. So, munne or munbu are the words which denote before in Malayalam. Munne or munbu. പോവുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ എന്നെ വിളിക്കൂ. പോവുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ എന്നെ വിളിക്കൂ means call me before you go. Call me before you go. പോവുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ എന്നെ വിളിക്കൂ. The second example is മഴയ്ക്ക് മുന്നേ വീട്ടിൽ എത്തണം. മഴയ്ക്ക് മുന്നേ വീട്ടിൽ എത്തണം. Have to reach home before the rain. മഴയ്ക്ക് മുന്നേ വീട്ടിൽ എത്തണം. So in these cases you can also use the word munbu. It is also the right way of using the word for before, like പോകുന്നതിന് മുൻപേ എന്നെ വിളിക്കൂ. മഴയ്ക്ക് മുൻപേ വീട്ടിൽ എത്തണം is both correct. So that is before. Next is after. For after, the words used in Malayalam is pinne, pinbu, shesham. So pinne is just like munne for before, and then pinbu like munbu, and then another word shesham. All these denotes the word after. So see this example. I have not seen him after that. I have not seen him after that. അതിന് ശേഷം ഞാൻ അവനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. അതിന് ശേഷം ഞാൻ അവനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. The same sentence you can also say അതിൽ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ അവനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. അതിൽ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ അവനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. Here അതിന് and അതിൽ means that incident or that is what is denoted by the words adine, and adil. And this is why I advise you to watch that case suffixes video before you start learning this. So അതിന് ശേഷം ഞാൻ അവനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല, or you can say അതിൽ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ അവനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. So that is after. Next we are going to learn from. So from, there are two contexts that we use from. One is when it is used to denote the direction. Then we use the word ninnu, ninnu. So in this example, I am coming from Kochi. I am coming from Kochi. ഞാൻ കൊച്ചിയിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു. I am coming from Kochi. ഞാൻ കൊച്ചിയിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു. And I think we have gone over this sentence in conversations and many examples before. So I am coming from Kochi. ഞാൻ കൊച്ചിയിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു. And next context is when it is used to denote, when from is used to denote time. Then we use the word mudal, mudal. So in this example, from when did you start doing this? From when did you start doing this? എന്ന് മുതൽ ആണ് നീ ഇത് ചെയ്തു തുടങ്ങിയത്. എന്ന് മുതൽ ആണ് നീ ഇത് ചെയ്തു തുടങ്ങിയത്. From when did you start doing this? എന്ന് മുതൽ ആണ് നീ ഇത് ചെയ്തു തുടങ്ങിയത്. So that there മുതൽ denotes from and that denotes time. Next is to, the preposition to. To can also be used to denote direction and time. So when using to denote direction, two different words can be added. Like in this example, it is I am going to Delhi. I am going to Delhi. ഞാൻ ഡൽഹിക്ക് പോകുന്നു. I am going to Delhi. ഞാൻ ഡൽഹിക്ക് പോകുന്നു. Or ഞാൻ ഡൽഹിയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. ഞാൻ ഡൽഹിയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. Both can be said. So k and leki, both is right when it is used to denote direction. ഞാൻ ഡൽഹിക്ക് പോകുന്നു. ഞാൻ ഡൽഹിയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. Both is right. And when to, the preposition to is used to denote time, it uses the word vare, vare in Malayalam. So let's see the example. The function is from 7 to 7:30. The function is from 7 to 7:30. ചടങ്ങ് 7 മുതൽ 7:30 വരെയാണ്. ചടങ്ങ് 7 മുതൽ 7:30 വരെയാണ്. ചടങ്ങ് means function. 7 is 7, 7:30 is 7:30. So ചടങ്ങ് 7 മുതൽ 7:30 വരെയാണ്. And here in this example you can see from. For from we have used mudal, and for the word the preposition to we have used vare. So those were the examples prepositions that we are discussing today. You know, there are a lot of prepositions. It is not just a couple of them that we have discussed today, but we will go over them in other coming videos. And I hope you have enjoyed this. And also you all had a lot of questions for the previous video where I discussed about why. So I'm thinking about doing a separate video. There are a lot of frequently asked questions and repeating questions. So I think I would do a separate video to clarify all your doubts. So I'm not ignoring you. I am seeing all the comments. I will be answering that. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please hit on the like button and share it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Nandi for watching and namaskaram.